Hi, it's Mark here. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto YouTube. It's really for the benefit of the AVN team. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're uploading onto the right channel, because within AVN we've got a number of channels. I'm just going to use my personal channel to upload a particular video, and then we just click on the upload button here. When you get this screen, we just select the files from the computer, so click on this button here. You then need to search for the video. Here's the file I want to upload, so I'll click on open, and Camtasia will start uploading that video. Whilst it's doing that, there's 5 things that we need to do. We need to decide on the title, the description, the tags, which are keywords, choose a category, and decide on the privacy settings. So by default the title is set as whatever you've called the file, so we'll leave it at that. I'll just delete the file extension. In the descriptions, it really helps if you've got some templates. So if we're uploading Tax Club videos, for example, we have a template file. So let me just switch to that now. In this file we have some standard descriptions. We start off with the first paragraph recommending that the viewers go to grab a free copy of our report, and in the second paragraph we've got the website. So the website is the web addresses are linked within YouTube. You need to add the http:// and then we've got a couple of other final standard paragraphs, and at the end, if for AVN videos we're using the standard piece of music called Shiny Tech, then we need to credit Kevin MacLeod, so this needs to appear here. If you're not using music in the video, then we can just take this bit out. So it's all there apart from the description itself, so we just simply copy all of that, press Ctrl+C to copy, go then to the YouTube upload area, and we simply do Ctrl+V to paste that in. And the only thing we need to do now is just add a specific description for the video. So let me go and do that, and then I'll come back to you. So I've now added in my description. The next thing we need to do is then add the keyword tags. So again, we can import those from a standard document. So here are the keywords ready to be cut and pasted into the YouTube details. Just a couple of comments is keywords is a little bit of a strange phrase, because really it's phrases, not words, because when people type into search engines they normally type in sentences. They're looking for phrases when they're searching for things. So if you want it to be a phrase, you put it in inverted commas. So let's take for example Tim Good. By putting it in inverted commas, then anybody that types in Tim Good, this will appear within the search engine rankings. We don't want to have Tim and good as 2 separate words, because that means when everyone searches for anything that's good, it might appear. So if it's specific phrases, put them in inverted commas, like people's names, how to save tax, saving tax, and then other things could just be words, like we might want to appear for any searches where there's tax in it, or taxation, HMRC. So just be aware of the difference between phrases and single words. So we copy and paste that in with Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to paste in, and that's our keyword phrases. Now these are all the standard ones, the Tax Club, so we may want to add in some specific ones for this particular video. That's a good idea. So in this particular video it might be that we want to have Tax Club Forum. That's a key phrase. Then all we need to do is decide whether it's public or not. By default it's a public video. So we also need to decide what type of video. Now for AVN videos we always go with how to for consistency, so select the how to category, make it public unless you want to make it private. If it's unlisted, it's only available if people have a specific link, so you could put the link in an email for example, and private is where you want to only make it available to 1 or 2 particular people and you put their email addresses in. It probably won't happen straight away, but once the video is uploaded, YouTube will then give you a choice of video thumbnails. By default it always picks the middle one, which is roughly halfway into the video, but you might decide you like the first or the last one. So select the video thumbnail, and then when you've done that, it'll prompt you to save any changes, save those changes, and it will then appear in your list of videos. So here's the video I've just uploaded.